Assalamu alaikum and good morning, students. Let's start our lesson number 2. As you know that I'm Sabine Faisal. Our lesson number 2 is Map of Pakistan. By the end of this lesson, you will be able to name the provinces of Pakistan, name the capital of Pakistan, differentiate between province, city, town and village. I think the word map seems new to you. Don't worry, I'll tell you about map. Now the question comes in your mind that what is a map? A map is a drawing of a special information about an area. Now to explain this, just think you have gone to a new school and you don't know that where is your classroom or where is your principal's office. So, a map of school will help you to find where your class is or your principal's office is. Map shows the real world on a small scale. It helps us to go from one place to another. Do you know where we live? We live in Pakistan. This is Pakistan's map. It shows different cities and provinces of Pakistan. It also shows the shape of Pakistan on the world map. Through this map we can find that which city of Pakistan lies where. You can see that there are 4 provinces on this map: Balochistan, Punjab, Sindh and Khyber Pakhtunkhwa. The capital of Pakistan is Islamabad, and Islamabad lies in the province of Punjab. Let's find out about province, city, town and village. From this sequence, you will be able to know that province is a huge area in a country. City is rather small, town is rather much small, and the village is the smallest. Let's have a look at province. Province is a part of a country having its own rules. It is a part of a country, remember this, and it is having their own rules. City, a place in which people live and work that is larger than a town. That is called as a city. It is smaller than a province. Now different provinces have different cities in them. Then comes the town. Many people live here. It is larger than a village and smaller than a city. There is a province, then there is a city in the province, and in a city there is a town. So are you following me? Then there is a village. Village is a very small town at the outside of city, that is countryside. That is called as a village. Villages are small and villages are large as well, but still they are smaller than a town. I hope you can now differentiate between all these. Now let's practice. This is a Pakistan map and you have to label the provinces of Pakistan on this map. Next, you have to write in order biggest to the smallest: town, province, village, city. I hope now you can do it very better. Don't forget to share this on fsabin06@gmail.com. I hope you liked the session. Wait for your lesson number 3. Till then, Allah Hafiz.